whenever you encounter a situation in which you receive file or files with a large total word count, there is instructions of the client or the sender. Your scope of work is only 700 words out of 7K words. But when you open the file, you find that the client or the sender did not look or confirm the other 5,300 words that is not in your scope. As you know, the confirmation behavior will move you through every and each segment, whether it is in your 700 words scope or the other 5,000 words. How to solve this? How to save time and effort of moving from segment to the next and only moving in the 700 words segments. At the same time, how to obtain benefits in the TM for unification of terms, for the purposes of unification of terms based on the other 5,000 words. How to do that? By these steps. These steps. Can you see this icon? This filter icon with an orange plus sign on it. Click on it. Status tab. Check this square. Write 100 here and 101 here. From these three segments, from these three options, check the options that suit your situation. Locked, unlocked, or both. Okay. As you can see now, memoQ filtered the segments to show only the 100% and 101% matches. Select them all. Select them all. Segment layer. Select them all. Make sure you have selected them all and confirm. Press the confirmation shortcut. As you can see, the red X is now a green check mark. These segments are now stored in the TM. Click on this icon, the glass with a red X on it, to return to your project or your file. Proceed with your... No. Before proceeding with translation, make sure that you set the confirmation behavior in the edit menu, then the drop-down arrow, the drop-down triangle, next to go to next. Then settings, then make sure that this option is checked and this one along with this one. Okay. Segment 1. You proceed with your translation. Check this. When I press the confirmation shortcut, now it will move to the non-confirmed, the unconfirmed segment. It will skip segment number 2 and so on and so forth. By this, you saved time and effort, and also made use. You can also make use of the entries that are now stored in the TM to unify terms during translation. As you can see, confirmation here skipped a whole set, a whole group of segments and moved to the unconfirmed segment. It's saving time and effort. Let us suppose that you want to consult the TM regarding this phrase, term unification. Thanks to the storing we have done in the steps previously, the entries are now stored in the TM and concordance is now showing the entries for which we have stored. You can now unify terms in your 700 scope of work with the other 5,300 that is already translated. These options are very good. The filtering of matches, saving time and effort. Also, storing the content in the TM, very good. Very, 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 very good. Pretty good.